right for the thermostat. The homie Jose right there was putting some duct seal. Look at that unk right there. Made that homemade on the job site. Factory made, basically, right here inside with that new tool that we bought, the 3-footer, the bender. Makes magic. Look at that. Works like magic. The homies right here did it on the job site. It looks so good, so professional, like if we got it made from an actual supply store. Then we had the homies wrap up the return box. Looks nice and pretty. There you go, because that's all we do here is work like if it was gonna get inspected by your mama. Not your mama, by the inspector. But anyways, some of the ducts didn't get changed. Most of all the ducts on the new edition with the 510, with the new 510 we put in, got changed. We added some returns. As you can see, it was a pain in the butt to get back in that corner, man. That corner back there was tight. I was trying to get out of there, but they were like, nah, you need to put your butt at work. Look how pretty it is. You can actually see things now. Yes, sir. The freezing tank and his crew. The freezing tank wouldn't be nothing without his crew. Yes, sir.